Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about ego. What is ego? Why people get egoistic? Ego is a mechanism to protect yourself. It protects you from your crime, it protects you from your bad things. It gives you confidence and okay, I can do this, I can do this, I can do anything. It is a ego. Ego leads to a self-harm. A egoistic person never grow in their life because he was stuck in his that situation, that egoistic situation, because he don't want to grow. He wants validation only. He is seeking validation from everyone, every time, everywhere. Someone validate him so he can satisfy his ego. Ego can be of anything, knowledge, money, power, looks. Many people are egoistic in nature. They think that everyone is down to them and I am a superior one. But ego is a very bad thing in life. If you ego of something, your knowledge or anything, you will not grow in life. Your growth will stop because an egoistic person think that everything is run by him. He is the controller of everything. He controls the situation of his family. He controls the situation of everything. In his mind, he is very powerful, and if he do any crime, he abuse anyone, he troll anyone or say to anyone, he think that it is right. It is his right because he is privileged. Ego is a very bad thing in life. Ego will stop you from many things. Some people have ego of their caste, ego of their religion, pride. So you have to also see that it is stopping your thinking, because you have to flexible. If you are believing in something, believe in that thing. Don't feel pride of that thing. Don't feel egoistic of that thing, because a egoistic person is always get in depression, anxiety, and seeking only social validation, because what he want is validation. Many egoistic politicians are there who are showing that I am the great one. Everyone gets wiped off because a egoistic person's thinking will not as good as a wise person, because if you are wise, you will think with clarity, you will think with your wisdom. But if you are an egoistic person, you will think of your ego. How do I satisfy my ego? So this is the reality. Don't be egoistic. Don't ego for anything, because you are not doing anything. You take birth with God grace, and you will go to the death. What are you doing in this life is just a guest. So you have to be very good to yourself. Be a wise man, be a very practical man. Work on yourself, work on your body, work on your everything. Don't feel ego of anything. If you will feel ego, you will stuck in a situation where you can't get out of that, because ego also make a person very sophisticated in the society. He think that if anything happened to his with his, if he make any mistake in the society, his ego will be get down. People will give him abuses or anything, or don't respect him. So he is very protected for his ego. It is also ego. Someone likes me, someone admires. So in Gita there was written that you are not doing anything. You are just a human being. You don't have to be ego that I have done this thing, I have done this thing. No, you don't have to feel ego about what you have done, because there is not such any meaning of that thing. Because after 30-40 years, what age you are, you will get died. And if you feel ego about anything, it is bad for your true self. Don't feel that I have done anything. No, feel that okay, God had made me that I have made this possible. God helped me to do this thing, or I have done for the God. Because there you don't attach to the thing, so you don't feel ego. The concept of karma is also there. It also affect egoistic person, because what in Gita written is karma. You do your work without expectation. When we accept anything to be done with how we want, it is the ego. You have to only work on the thing and believe that it will happen. Not I will do this, I will. No, you have to only work. You don't have to think about that. No, I will do many things in life. No, you have to only focus on yourself. Focus on one thing and do that thing possible. Don't feel ego about anything that I have done. I have done this, I have done that. No, because if you do this type of thing, you will stuck in a situation where you think that okay, that's my comfort zone, everyone think me like that. So you will protect your ego. You will not express yourself. You will not true to be yourself. You protect your ego in every situation. How people think me, how people admire me, seek validation. So remove ego in your life and be happy, and work on your body, work on yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video. Love you all.